Unpacking the Fun, Understanding BBQ Bash. Hello, English enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as flavorful as it sounds, BBQ Bash. We'll explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Whether you're a language learner or just curious about English idioms, this video is grilled to perfection for your learning appetite. Firstly, let's break down the phrase. Barbecue is an abbreviation for barbecue, a popular cooking method that involves grilling or smoking food, especially meats. It's also a social event centered around this type of cooking. Now, let's tackle bash. In this context, bash refers to a party or a large, enjoyable gathering. So, a barbecue bash is essentially a fun and informal party where barbecue food is the star attraction. Barbecues have deep roots in many cultures, especially in countries like the United States and Australia, where outdoor cooking and community gatherings are cherished traditions. A barbecue bash is often associated with summer, outdoor fun, and a casual, friendly atmosphere. It's a term that conjures images of sunny days, laughter, delicious food, and good company. Now, let's see how you can incorporate barbecue bash into your conversations. 1. Invitation. You're invited to our annual barbecue bash next Saturday. 2. Reminiscing. Remember the barbecue bash we had last summer? It was so much fun. 3. Planning. Let's organize a barbecue bash for the neighborhood next month. Notice how the phrase is used to describe an event that is both social and centered around barbecued food. While barbecue bash is quite specific, you might encounter variations like grill party, barbecue gathering, or simply cookout. These terms share a similar essence, highlighting the combination of food, fun, and fellowship. And there you have it, a complete rundown of the phrase, barbecue bash. It's more than just a culinary event. It's a symbol of camaraderie and enjoyment. We hope this video adds a little flavor to your English language journey. Happy learning, and perhaps, happy grilling too!